What's up, foodies? It's January, and let's face it, after the holidays, most of us are trying to eat a little bit healthier. But healthy doesn't have to mean boring, and this Mediterranean bowl is proof of that. Packed with fresh ingredients, vibrant flavors, and a good balance of protein and fiber, this is the perfect way to start the year on a lighter note without sacrificing taste. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods, and they have provided me with all this amazing organic food for this video. So let's get into it. First up, let's make our chickpea salad. In a bowl, combine 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, half a teaspoon of paprika, you can use smoked paprika here if you like, for a bit of extra smoky flavor, and the juice and zest of 1 lemon, and a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now for the chicken. Take 2 chicken breasts that have been chopped up into chunks. In a small bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of paprika, and the juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Pour the marinade over your chicken and toss it and let it sit for 15 minutes. Heat a skillet on medium to high heat and cook the chicken until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken's done, remove it from the heat and rest for a few minutes. If you're enjoying this recipe, you're going to love my new cookbook, the Foodie Odyssey, Totally Greek. It's packed with over 70 incredible Greek recipes that capture the essence of my travels in Greece and my time cooking in Greek restaurants. This cookbook has some of my favorite Greek dishes like briam, Cretan bougatsa, souvlaki, lots of different recipes in here. Greek salad, the best Greek salad you're ever going to have if you're not in Greece. Whether you're a fan of Greek cuisine or looking for modern twists, this cookbook has something special for every home cook. You can grab your copy in the description below. Now let's make our yogurt dressing. In a bowl, whisk together 500 grams of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 4 crushed garlic cloves, and salt to taste. Give it a good mix and set it aside. Now let's put our bowl together. In each bowl, add a portion of the chickpea salad, some grilled chicken, diced cucumber, some half cherry tomatoes, and a few Kalamata olives. Now drizzle everything with a generous amount of the yogurt dressing, then top with some fresh herbs for a bit of brightness and extra flavor. And there you have it, a fresh, flavorful Mediterranean bowl packed full of protein and fiber. It's a great way to start the new year, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, Foodie out.